In this factory tour, we will see how LED lights are made inside a factory. The LED light making process begins with selecting the design and applying the solder mask on a PCB. This company manufactures 50 types of LED lights, such as street lights, highway lights, tube lights, and many more. Then, components are placed on the PCB using a pick and place machine. After that, the PCBs are passed through a reflow oven and stacked. Here, each LED chip is being tested manually. On the other side of the factory, a powder coating is applied on the casing. After that, the casings are heated to 200 degrees Celsius and then they're cooled down. A few hours later, a adhesive is applied to the casing. Next, the PCB is glued to the casing. After that, the wire harness is done. And here, the rubber gasket and glass are placed on the casing and then it is screwed. Now, LED light is being tested for electric resistance and driver SMPS. Lastly, the company name and other required details are printed using a laser printing machine. Finally, the LEDs are packed in a box.